Back with another episode with Coach Tata. Today, what are we doing? We're making some steak, eggs, and potatoes. Cool. So I put my steak in the fridge to defrost. We're in here in the fridge. We gotta grab the steak. I haven't done cooking vlogs like that, but here we go. So you flip it. Steak. The potatoes are gonna be easy to make because I get the ones from, I think, Target. They're already like pre-made. It's just a lot easier and it tastes so much better. And it's very, very healthy. You can look at the ingredients, not that many ingredients, right? And the tip is when you're reading food labels, you wanna make sure it doesn't have too many ingredients. The low amount of ingredients, the better. The top 3 ingredients are what's being used the most to make this thing. So obviously potatoes, dehydrated garlic and salt, parsley, dehydrated onion, less than 2% silicon dioxide. I don't know what the heck that is, but potatoes, garlic, and salt is what this is mostly made of. There you go. Now the steak is doing its thing. Steak. We use that to mix the steak. Now the steak is doing its thing. Let me spread it out. We're gonna do the potatoes. Garlic, parsley, potatoes. Instructions. Step number 1, remove sleeve and seasoning packet. Place tray in microwave. Do not remove or puncture film. Okay, so remove the sleeve. That's what I removed. Microwave on high for 5 to 6 minutes until potatoes are fork tender. Let stand for 1 minute. Carefully peel back one corner of film. Packaging and contents will be hot, far enough to add 1 to 2 tablespoons butter or olive oil, desired amount of seasoning. So I think they're saying remove sleeve. Oh, remove sleeve and season the packet. So it wasn't this. Go away. This is it. This is the sleeve. Seasoning packet, right? And then put it in a microwave for 5. Let's just do 6 minutes. Let's do 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's do that. 5 minutes and 30 seconds for my potatoes. Now, the steak is doing its thing. It's getting red and redder. We're done with this, which we gotta wash later. I absolutely hate doing dishes. This is why I need a wife. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna be doing dishes with my wife as well. It's 100 before you guys freak out. What I really mean is there's specific roles for each person in the marriage, but you guys still support each other, right? So let's say my role is providing and protecting. I work all the time. She doesn't have to work. When I come home and she's taking care of the kids and there's things that are around the house that need to be done, I'm going to help her because it's a partnership, and taking care of kids is a full-time job. You work together. People have this 50-50 thing, or I'm just a masculine man. I'm not gonna, all I do is to make the money. No cooking and cleaning, no doing anything else. For some people it works. You can, whatever dynamics you have in your relationships, you can do that. But this is just how I think in my beliefs. I think it's 100. It's a partnership. You work together, you grow together, you build the kingdom of God together. Are you a sales professional?
that's tired of feeling burnt out. What if I told you getting in the best shape of your life could help you close more deals and have 10 out of 10 relationships? I will create workouts and nutrition plans that fit your busy schedule and then hold you accountable to make fitness an identity. Text FIT to 443-710-5076 if you want to feel and operate like a freaking badass.
Was my lips actually there? Probably was. This steak is cooking. Potatoes is cooking. So while that's happening, all right, how many eggs should I make? We got the eggs. Oh, you always want to get, guys, pasture-raised eggs. These are the healthiest eggs on the market. Pasture-raised. They don't have all the GMO chemicals in there. Again, pasture-raised eggs, right? So we're gonna go with 4. Let's make 4 eggs. Let's make 4 eggs. This is gonna be a big meal. One. No, let me not be selfish. Let me just make 3. You know? Because then I'll make another 3, probably like tomorrow when I eat it. Make some 3 eggs. Guys, don't be... I'm sure you know how to make eggs. I don't have to show you every freaking step of making eggs. You're smarter than that. Oh, my steak is stinking. Salt. That's all. Salt in the eggs. I like putting cayenne pepper. And then let's throw a little lemon pepper. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. I'm not gonna eat all the steak, but I'm gonna eat all the eggs. So I'm probably gonna take some steak out and then make my eggs in the steak. I'm gonna figure it out. You guys will see. You're vlogging with me. Oh yeah, it's starting to get real, not too crispy, but crisp enough. You know? Not too crazy, but crazy enough. See that's coming out? Damn, smoky. Smoky. All right. So the potato. Oh my God, I gotta fix this. The potatoes. There we go. The potatoes just finished. The steak is almost done. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, wee. Oh, that's freaking hot. All right, so the potatoes are done. Now, the sauce that we... What? See? See me? Where's the sauce? I was about to say. Like, bro, what's wrong with me? I don't even know where I put this. Now I'm going to add this. Garlic powder, whatever is supposed to be in here. I like to put a little drop of olive oil in it, so when I mix it around, it really gets to stick, right? Oh yeah. So I'm mixing it right now, right? See how much better it's sticking to it? The seasoning. because that's why I put the olive oil, so it can really get deep inside. Steak is almost done. Probably give it like another minute, but I'm gonna turn the heat off. Right, the steak will be finished here shortly, as you can see. Oh my God, I'm just trying to show the eggs. That's fine. Whatever. I'll grab it like this. Okay. Anyways, I'm about to make the eggs. Right? I'm gonna... all you gotta do is put a few drops of avocado oil. Alright? And I already showed you guys that. Oh my God, I freaking seasoned the eggs. Anyways, you have to cut out some parts, whatever. Oh, that's fine. This is good. Oh, there we go. Put a few drops of oil. It's a lot better. My eggs. I'm gonna do scrambled. And then keep in mind, the steak is basically done. There we go. Cool. I'm satisfied with that. Since the steak is done, put some steak in there. All right, this is a lot of protein. Lots of protein here. And then put the potatoes in there. Put some potatoes in there. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Here's the final product. Oh my goodness. There you go. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. If you like this video, like it. Subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment if you have any video ideas that you want me to make. Maybe it's talking about food, anything specific. Let me know in the comments and I'll make the video. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the support. God bless you and you have an amazing, amazing day.